Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I whip stitch a nose onto a muzzle, just like this one here. It's super easy to do, and you can do this technique right onto the head as well. You don't need to have a big muzzle like this. You can put the nose right onto the amigurumi itself. But for this video, as this is part of a pattern that I've just released on my blog, I'm going to show you how to do it onto a muzzle. And what I always do for my patterns is the finishing yarn tail is at the bottom in the center. And I just rolled it up. I'm going to tuck it inside there just to get it out of the way for now. I'm going to get a length of yarn. You can make it fairly long. If you run out of yarn before you're done, it's not a big deal. You can just knot off and then add another piece of yarn if you need to. Okay, so a length of yarn, you can use any color you want to. I'm going to use black for this one. I'm going to bring this right through the back of the muzzle and out through that center hole. I'm going to bring one yarn tail through and leave the other one hanging in the back. So I'm wrapping over 4 rows. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. I'm counting the middle row in that count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm always going to wrap over that 4th one. And then I start off with a shape. So I usually put a V in there. There's my first wrap. I'll go back through that center hole and right there, pull it through, and now I'm just going to fill in that V. And I'm going to be going over this a couple of times. So that's all there is to that. You just keep wrapping until it's all filled in, and then you're going to do another row, and maybe even another row over top of that. Okay, so if you wanted to add the little line at the bottom like I have on my puppies, then before you finish off, just bring it back through the center at the bottom, right down the center, pull it through, and I'm going to go over, let's say 3 or 4 rows, just wrapping it over, and you want to make sure it's centered, and that's it. And now you can knot these 2 yarn tails off in the back. Cut them up a bit shorter. So that's it. Now you can stuff the muzzle and sew it onto your amigurumi. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.